We're going to talk about three of the emerging technology trends that are going to be particularly disruptive towards the end of 2015 and going into 2016. First up is streaming technology. We've seen a number of interesting developments in this market in 2015. The cost of streaming services has fallen significantly, both in terms of the hardware for end users, but also the cost of entry for content providers. What this means is that streaming sticks, streaming set-top boxes are going to be under most people's trees in December. It's going to create a substantial shift in the power of the media away from traditional linear broadcasters towards streaming providers. It's going to change the way that people are consuming content. It also means that for us as PR professionals and for our clients, we need to think about how we can actually leverage these platforms. Moving on from there, we need to also look at what's happening in the world of drones. We're seeing drones being used in everything from the broadcast industry, but also into some very significant B2B markets. Our clients need to actually have a viable drone story. They need to understand what role drones will play in the market, what role drones will play to their business, and they need to understand what that's going to mean long term, both for their own operations and for their marketplace at large. And lastly, we're going to look at wearable technology. 2015 was expected to be the year of the smartwatch. That didn't entirely go to plan. Instead, what has been dominant has been fitness devices. It's put the world of health back into focus, but it also means that the power in wearable technology is lying with some very different companies. It's not traditional technology players, and it's certainly not the smartwatch manufacturers that we expected it to be, but rather it's lying with companies with their heritage in everything from health and fitness through to GPS technology. We need to be looking at what role these companies are playing in shaping the wearables market for the longer term. Clients need to be looking much more broadly beyond traditional technology players in order to understand the role that wearables will have in the year to come.